I got a '07 Hyundai Santa Fe, so I'm going to be installing. Don't worry about that, I didn't do that. I'm going to be installing the 6.5 speakers. So what the first thing I would do, take a little needle nose, not needle nose, I'm sorry, like a pin or anything that you can find, just small enough to push it in here and pry it out. You got one right there, and then you got another one right here. And then you got one down here. And then you got that one. That's all Phillips. And then another one down here somewhere. Right there. So once you take that out, you can start taking, pry it out like so. Just pry it out. And then, well, let's say this is out already. So let's say you want to try to pry it right here out, right, one right here, and then once it come out like that, you can lift it up this and then pull it down like so. Yep. Now right here, you're gonna put out the solid main wire to the black wire. The black wire is the positive side speaker. So you put the solid gray to the black wire, tape them really good. That's your positive. And I believe the other side, the green, is positive. So tape them good so that it won't touch any, ground it out. Short the speakers again. I mean, speaker being 7, 8 years old, you're gonna need to change them anyway. This is 6.5-inch speakers, and yeah, there's a lot of stuff that need to be removed for the screw part. I'll show you on the other door. I didn't get a chance to do a video on this. I realized I had to do it because it's not easy to take the door out because you can damage some stuff. So you got that out right here. Just take the speaker, the 6.5. The model that I have is CSC65. It's a kicker. So plug it in. Like so. And put it in like that. And make sure don't hit this. Then just take a screw, a drywall screw, and just screw it in. I'll show you in a second. The shorter the better for the screw. So I'm gonna use the actually I got, this is all I got right here. So I got about 1.5 inches. I'm gonna screw one of them first, right there. Just be careful not to actually hit the cone, the rubber piece right there. So I'm gonna use 2 hands, hold one, and then tighten it right there, and then come on over here and screw the other one. Like I said, be careful. Now, bring the door back. First thing you want to do is plug the switch back for your, can't see right here, for the doors. Start it from the top first. And somebody did the window right here, the tent, and turned out to be bad because it's sticky, and he rolled it down before the 4th day, 4th, 5th, whatever one of them. So now you got that out. You want to put the rest of the screw back in. The most important part is here. I'm going to show you up here. You see the cameras go up. Starting from here, after you got it in, see that? Go in like so, and flip it down like this. Just push it in, and then use the screw and screw it all back. You got one right. I'm gonna take the camera out. So you see right there, you got Philip right there, 1. You got right there, 2. And then you got a clip right here, 3. Another clip right here, 4. And then you got a Philip right here, right there. And then, and that's it. Basically, you can start prying. I'm gonna just finish it. I'm not gonna do another video. You can pry this up like this, take a flathead and start prying. Pry it all out, and once you got it out, you want to pull this out. You want to take a flathead and pop this out right there. Right there, keep pulling it right. Pop right there out. And right there, and then twist it around when you go out like this, see? And then come out. And then you can push it all the way up. There's no screw right here, anything like that. So that got to mention right there, that's a screw, not a clips. It's take that screw out, that 2 screw, the other screw on the other side right there. And then there's a clip outside that sealed it. It look exact like that. Right there, just push it back. Let's say I'm gonna just pry this out with a flathead, anything. Once you pry it out, you pull it out about that much right there, and then you want to lift it up like that. That window is gonna be off some more right there because he had the window done and he's just rolled it down so quickly. So I'm gonna just pick it up, and that's it. Now you come in down here, you push this clip and pull it down. Shake it left and right, and out. Watch that metal right there, that hurts. Not metal, it's a plastic. I just hit it right there. And then, beginning of my video, break this out, or you can just take this out also, this rivet right there, drill it out and screw it in, whichever one works. You can see the speakers froze right here. That's why it cut his radio out, see? Froze, gone, it's not moving. And that's why we're changing the 6.5. I'm gonna show you how to take this rivet out. So you take a bit and just one, and then just do 2 and 3 and 4, and then you can just take a flathead and pry it out. If you want to look at it right there, you only have a couple, maybe like a 1/4 of an inches right there to screw. So you're gonna need a soft taper screw to screw that. I would just soft taper screw one of them first, start at one side first, so you don't have to have another person to help you. Do that. This is probably harder to do because you gotta watch it. If this thing coming down here, it's gonna go right to the speakers. You're gonna need like a drill bit, like a whatever bit you preferred. I would prefer at least a 1/4 of an inch bits to go through right there, because you're gonna have to run a wire and tap this. Green is positive and orange is negative. Oh, I did 3 screw right there. I didn't have to use this because you can't really move it. Because you want to do all 4, it's gonna be tough. And the screw went down right there, and that's it. That's all you have to do, and just put it right back in. Watch my first video.